Today, I will demonstrate how an AI engine can build an Angular web application from scratch, use complete end-to-end developmental workflow. The process began with a clear defined business requirements, typically captured in the Jira User Story. The engine analyzes the task description, acceptance credential, and design specifications to understand both functional and user experience requirements. Imports to the AI engine, Jira Story, business objective, user requirements, functional expectations, technical constraints, acceptance credential, what feature must be implemented, expected user behavior, validation rules, success condition for completion. These credentials serve as fundamental for both development and testing. Figma Design provides user interface layout, component structure, styling requirements, user interaction patterns, responsive design expectations. By combining the Jira requirements with the Figma Design, use Jira MCP, use Figma MCP, AI engine gain comprehensive understanding of what needs to build. Once requirements are understood, the engine performs full development workflow. So this is the workflow. This engine uses the workflow, user scale, build application, and test. Generate Angular components and application structure. Implement business logic and user interactions. Apply styling based on the Figma Design. Generate Cypress end-to-end tests to validate user workflows. Generate Cypress components tests to verify individual Angular components. Generate accessibility tests. Ensure compliance with accessibility standards and improve usability for all users. Execute the test in the backend. If the test passes, user can view the web application local run. Here is a Jira Story example. This is the title, description, acceptance credential, and here is the Figma link. Here is the anti-gravity. You may refine our previous video how to set up, use workflow, and scales. For my setup is give the Jira task number and ask build and run test. Then AI engine access the Jira, access Figma, get information, use the MCP server. Then ask you perform permission to action. Let's ask again. This is the workflow. Okay, you see test. All the process is listed here. What is the engine doing? Is continue working? Yeah, you see here implementation plan. You can view the plan, what it's doing. I just click is doing. It's you see the npm install. You see the components and also HTML file. Manual test. Okay, it run Cypress test. Waiting, you see another sub-engine run the test, and this engine waits the test. Okay, run components test. General, when write components test, yeah, sometimes the config was have some problem. So sometimes need to manually add some components test. Okay, still running components test. So after test run and build application and start development server, so use the npm start. Run E2E test. Okay, this E2E test. So E2E test finish. Then I open the local host. Yeah, you say build all of the application here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.